You see her with someone else. Your heart sinks. Your mind races. Questions flood your thoughts. Was I not enough? Did she move on that quickly? The pain is real, but what if I told you it's not what you think? As a man striving to embody Stoic wisdom, you must understand your perception creates your suffering, not the event itself. What matters is how you respond. Today, we break down how Stoicism helps you rise above heartbreak, embrace reality, and move forward with strength. Heartbreak can feel like the end of the world, but for a Stoic, it is simply another challenge, a moment to practice resilience, to sharpen your mind, and to become stronger than before. The Stoics believed that adversity is the training ground for greatness, and this is your moment. Stoicism, a philosophy over 2,000 years old, teaches us to differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic emperor, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Seeing your ex with another man may feel like an attack on your worth, but this reaction is an illusion created by attachment, ego, and misplaced expectations. The Stoics knew that emotions, when left unchecked, enslave us, but when mastered, they make us untouchable. In ancient Rome, soldiers were trained to embrace hardship, to see suffering as part of the path. In modern times, we must train our minds in the same way. This is not a setback. This is an opportunity to fortify your mind. Lesson 1. Control your perception. Your initial response to heartbreak is dictated by raw emotion, but you have the power to reframe the narrative. Instead of thinking, "She replaced me," shift your perspective to, "She is living her life, just as I must live mine. Her choices are outside my control. My response is within my control." This is not a loss. This is an opportunity to grow. Seneca wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." The suffering you feel is fueled by the stories you tell yourself, not by the truth. Think of a warrior in battle. If he hesitates, if he allows fear to take over, he is defeated before the fight begins. Your mind is your battleground. Win the battle of perception, and you win control over your destiny. Lesson 2. Detach from the illusion of ownership. One of the greatest Stoic teachings is that nothing truly belongs to you, not even love. You experienced a relationship, but you never owned it. Epictetus reminds us, "Never say of anything, 'I have lost it,' but 'I have returned it.'" This applies to people, love, and even pain. If she is with someone else, it is simply because her chapter in your life has ended, and that is okay. True freedom comes from letting go of attachments that were never ours to control. Love, like all things in life, is fleeting. The more you grasp at it, the more it slips away. Instead, embrace the impermanence of all things. Imagine a river flowing. The water passes, never stopping, never clinging. Be like the river. Flow forward and do not look back. Lesson 3. Strengthen your inner fortress. A Stoic man does not place his happiness in another person. He builds himself up so that no external event can shake his foundation. Ask yourself, am I focusing on my purpose, or am I stuck in the past? Am I letting emotions dictate my actions, or am I leading with reason? Am I using this pain to fuel my growth, or am I letting it consume me? Your value does not decrease because someone does not recognize it. Your worth is internal. A powerful man does not chase, he attracts, and he attracts by becoming a man of discipline, purpose, and wisdom. Train your body, train your mind, and train your discipline. Read daily, work hard, and pursue your highest self. The more you invest in yourself, the less the outside world can affect you. Instead of drowning in self-pity, apply Stoic principles. Shift your focus. Redirect your energy into self-improvement, physical, mental, and financial growth. Practice indifference. Adopt a mindset of, "She is free to choose her path, and I am free to choose mine." Cultivate inner strength. Journal your thoughts. Read Stoic philosophy and train your mind to detach from external validation. Surround yourself with strength. Engage with like-minded men who focus on growth, not gossip. Take action. Every day, push yourself to become better. Pain is your fuel. Turn it into power. Seeing her with someone else does not define you. Your reaction to it does. You can choose to be weakened by this experience, or you can use it as fuel to become stronger. The Stoic path is clear. Embrace reality, master your emotions, and walk forward as a man of unshakable strength. She may be with someone else, but you are on a far greater path. If you found this valuable, like, comment, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. The journey to becoming an unshakable man starts now. Remember, this is not the end. This is your